Civil Society Legislative Advocacy Center has called for the adoption and implementation of the National Action Plan on Business and Human Rights. Executive Director of the Legislative Advocacy Center, while addressing journalists in Abuja, said Action Plan was an integrated and systematic national strategy to help realize the advancements of human rights in Nigeria.
In line with the provision of the draft NAP, this creation will be an actionable item by the federal government in performing its duty to protect rights of citizens and address business-related human rights issues. This directorate is to be headed by the director and will act as the secretariat of the National Working Group on Business and Human Rights. The chairperson should be Executive Secretary of the National Human Rights Commission, while the secretary shall be a director of Business and Human Rights at National Human Rights Commission.
The executive director stressed that community development should not be seen by companies as a favor to the communities.
Community development is a matter of right and should not be seen by companies as doing favor to the community. Development is a human right as recognized by the United Nations and other international and national organs. Therefore, government should ensure that they are targeted toward mitigating negative impact of business activities. Such development by companies should not be a placement or substitute for government obligation toward communities.
According to him, companies do little or nothing to provide redress in spite of complaints from leaders and representatives of the various communities within which the companies operate.
So we are saying that communities that are being affected as a result of the environmental abuses by the companies operating in various communities where extractive are happening, they should please feel free to reach out to us. We will be able to ensure that justice is done through our collaboration with the relevant government agencies like I had mentioned earlier on.
He also urged Nigerians to be abreast of available remedy mechanisms in the country.